In this diagram, we have a triangle, and the question they want to ask us is to find the value of C in the triangle. To do that, we need to remember that in any triangle, the sum of all three angles is always going to be 180 degrees. So I want to stop at this point and ask you to answer the following question. In order to solve this, we need to write the following equation: that the 80-degree angle plus the 34-degree angle plus 2c equals 180 degrees. We're going to then combine our like terms, and we'll have a new equation when we do that. The new equation that we get will be adding these two like terms, 80 degrees plus 34 degrees, which will give us 114 degrees, plus 2c, and that will equal 180 degrees. Next thing we're going to want to do is isolate 2c. How could we isolate this part of the problem that has 2c in it? Well, we can isolate it by subtracting 114 degrees from both sides. What will the new equation be when we subtract 114 from both sides? The new equation, when we simplify this, we're going to rewrite everything that we didn't cross off. We're going to rewrite 2c, and we also didn't cross off the equals, and then we'll just subtract 180 minus 114, which will be 66 degrees. 180 degrees minus 114 degrees, 66 degrees. What will we have to do now to get the c all by itself? To get the c by itself, we're going to divide both sides of this equation by 2. What will we get when we divide by 2? When we divide by 2, this will simplify, and we'll get that c is equal to 66 degrees divided by 2 is 33 degrees. Now that we have that, is that our final answer? Well, we can check that to see. Every time that we see the letter C, we can replace it with 33 degrees. So let's kind of zoom in here and remember that there is a C right here, and we just said that we could replace it or substitute it with 33 degrees. So let's check to see if 2 times 33 degrees, that would give us 66 degrees, will give us what we need in order to add up all three angles and get 180. Let's see if we can add up the 66 degrees plus the 80 degrees plus the 34 degree angle. And if we add those, we should, if this is correct, we should end up getting 180. Well, 6 plus 4 is 10. And if we carry the 1, 6 and 1 is 7, 7 and 8 is 15, and 15 plus 3 is 18. So that does add up. And that means our answer is correct. The correct answer here, C equals 33 degrees.